best only emerge when they've been tested time and again. Let's discover just how formidable these bags truly are, shall we? Every Samsonite's handle is subjected to over 3,500 heavy jerks and a drop from the height of 15 centimeters. I am thoroughly impressed by its resilience and its ability to withstand my demanding maneuvers. Hold your breath for what's to come next. Samsonite's incredibly strong and light cover material is crafted to withstand all types of high energy impacts effortlessly. Because you deserve what's truly been tested like Samsonite.